looks like you need to grab that umbrella. It is tornado season, and if your home needs new shingles, RJ Construction President Robert Jordan is back to show us his top picks.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
You know, it's a topic we don't like to talk about, but we want to make sure that you are prepared. But we also have another guest back here, the Pink Panther. Why is he so important in this segment today? Why is he here?
So, Owens Corning is one of the largest shingle manufacturers in North America, and they've recognized the greatness of RJ Construction and what we've been able to do here the last 15 years. And they make a shingle that's probably the best shingle on the market. We're going to show that today with the demonstration that we've brought here.
All right, well, actually, let's dive right into it. You brought some shingles
for
us. So what are you going to show?
All of these shingles have a device on here that's called a force gauge. And what the force gauge does is it measures pounds of force that's meant to simulate wind here in Dallas-Fort Worth and how much wind we actually see. So when I pull on this device, it's going to show you. We've got the leading competitor shingles here lined up next to this Owens & Corning Duration Shingle. And so we're going to dive right into that and show you that and how this works. We're going to pull all three of them so you can see it pulls right off, right? So there we go.
Okay.
We'll set that one there.
Interesting. So I need to remember 36.2?
Sure.
All right.
That one pulls at 22.
All right. That seemed a little easier.
It did. And then this one pulls at 72 pounds of force. So when you talk about this shingle, it's got a triple layer thread of protection. It's got the Sure Nail technology from Owens & Corning, and what it does is it's got the adhesive bond, plus it's got the fabric on top of it, which allows it to hold and make install easier. So there's a wider lane for them to drive the nails in as well.
I think the Pink Panther is impressed with the amount of hold, aren't you, Pink Panther? And now, why would you suggest this shingle? It's obvious. Sure. It's the strongest.
Right.
To withstand all of the Texas potential tornadoes.
We have vicious weather. We have high tornadoes.
The weather's terrible.
We have
Why
tornado.
else should we go with the shingle?
Absolutely. So this shingle is going to hold up to 130 miles an hour. We only need 4 nails to get it to that point, as long as it's coming through the Sure Nail side. My opinion, it's proof in the test we just showed you. This is the best shingle on the market for wind. And it's hard to argue that when you start putting it against other products that its direct competitors are. It's triple what these guys are putting out on the backside.
I bet you a lot of people don't know what kind of shingles they have on their roofs also. They might even have one of these too that came off so easily.
Correct.
And
That's
they probably want this one now. Now, why do we need to keep March 24th in mind?
So last year's hailstorm in the spring was on March 24th. The insurance company, almost all insurance companies, give you 1 year to file your hail claim or your wind claim. March 24th is the deadline. If you have any problems with your roof, you're worried about it, let us come check it out. If it's leaking, if there's a problem with it, whatever, have us come look at it. If you think you might have suffered from the hail damage last year, call us, we'll come out and look at it. If you don't get that claim filed before March 24th, you're going to miss out on an opportunity to get your new roof.
Remind us just one more time what shingle we need to prepare for the upcoming weather season.
Absolutely. This is the Owens & Corning True Def Duration Shingle. Probably the best shingle on the market today right now.
And he's a big guy, and it took him some good strength to try and get that off. These came off very easy, but that one definitely is the true winner here. So if you need to assess your shingles, you don't know what kind of shingles you have, or you need some new shingles, 817-412-9899 for more information. The number is very big on your screen. You can't miss it. You can also go to rj-construction.com. All right, tomorrow morning.